Hey there, YouTube. So I just heard that well, this morning that Hurricane Irene kind of kept you all awake and is flooding your basements, and it's still over you guys right now. I checked the weather. It's over all you guys, and it's probably fucking your shit up. And I'm just saying that we all have it hard. I mean, look at me. Like, it's pretty rough down here. It's hard to survive. I mean, I'm not trying to, like, I'm not making this video to laugh in your faces or anything, like, sorry. Ugh. I don't know what that was. But just don't be jealous of this beautiful beach filled with women without clothes on while you guys are in Hurricane Irene being trapped in your houses. Because I don't feel bad. So you shouldn't either. Woo! Oh my god, it's so beautiful out. So at this very moment, you're probably still getting pelted. And you're not going to see this until your power comes back on. But when you do, I would like to just say, lol in your face. Because I'm a nice guy like that. How are you guys even gonna see this? Look at that. Beautiful. It's not even too high, even. Really bounces around. So yeah, I will try to keep surviving. And I hope you guys are doing well too. That's the video. I know we all have it rough. Peace off.